Hi guys, ito nga pala yung zentorastay.com. Ito is website for managing your booking. So, pang guest siya and then pang host. So, to use it, you need to log in. So, you can log in using your Google account or you can make your own by using your email and password. Then log in. So, pagka naka-log in na, since naka-log in ako as host, so ganito yung itsura. So, itong sample na to is wala pang booking. So, since this is a test account. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, ang una nyo makikita to set up your account as a host is go lang kayo dito kung gumagamit kayo ng phone. And then dito makita nyo yung iba't ibang tab. So ayan, performance, manage booking, inbox, property settings, team decorator, pricing manager, and then AI concierge. Ayan siya. Yun yung mga available. So, yung managed bookings, ayan, yung performance, ito na siya. Ayan, yun yung itsura niya. And then, next is managed bookings. So, dito nyo makikita lahat ng mga bookings, active bookings, and then yung mga booking details. And then, yung sa inbox naman, ito yung sa messaging. So, dito, makikita nyo mga messages ng mga guests niyo through the app. So, pwede silang message through the app. So, kung kunwari may concern sila dyan, pwede silang mag-send ng message sa inyo. Basta naka-install sa kanila or meron silang password dun sa kanilang Zentorastay app. And then, sa property settings, nandito yung listing identity. Ito yung details about your property. Ayan, property descriptions na magpapakita dun sa booking page. Balik tayo sa property settings. Ayan, sa property settings, ayan yung details. And then yung property address, yung Google Map links na pwede ninyong i-share sa customer, sa guest. Unit details. And then yung guest facing contact. Ayan. And then property photos. Pwede yung iset. Pwede yung i-upload yung mga photos ng properties ninyo. Para kapag nag-book sila, yun yung makakita nila, yung actual na photo ng mismong property. Ayan, click nyo lang and then upload photos. Sa payment methods naman, dito pwede yung set up yung GCash number ninyo, Maya, and then bank transfer. Sa amenities, ayan, pwede nyo itaggle kung ano yung mga available amenities. For example, merong balcony, yung property ninyo, ayan, pwede nyo itaggle. Sa operations, ayan, kung allow pets, booking rules, house rules, full access and fees, kung meron check-in and check-out date, lead sniper. Yung lead sniper, ito yung